Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess where we are? Hint, hint, look in the back of us.
We are at the Queen Mary in Long Beach, California.
We're back after many years. First night, Dark Harbor is back. It's the premiere night tonight. We will be attending it. We will be showing the mazes. We will be showing the food and everything. So stick around.
And we are in room M102.
The cost for this room was almost $500. So hopefully it's nice.
Oh my god, it's so cool. This is old school. Is this the light? Yes, it is. The wood is original. It is hardwood. Okay, so our little guy has his own room. It's a little creepy, but he has his own room. Let me see if I could take a full. He has his bed, a vanity, a sink, mirror, more mirrors, dresser drawers. That's further away, and a bed, and a closet. Oh, cute. Alright, so it's a 2-bedroom room, so. And then we have a spot to put our keys and such, and then there is another door. We are in an adjoining, I guess, but I don't think there's a choice. And the main bedroom. Wow, that is old school. Soap dish, mirror, toilet, the shank push, very old bathtub with modern shower gels and very short shower head. But what's cool is hot salt, hot fresh, cold fresh, cold salt. This is super cool. And another little vanity, and towels. And then going back into the room. Oh my god, this is so incredible. There's a mirror, and this is where the air conditioning comes from. A nice old clock. That scared the crap out of me. Old school fan. And of course the luxuries of today. TV. Very big makeup vanity and bench. Another full-length mirror. Spacious closets. Portals. Portholes, and oh, look at that! We're gonna have a view of Dark Harbor. Guys, this room is literally going back in time, honestly. More air conditioning vents. You can see that the wood is original. And nice king bed. And the Queen Mary crest, phone. Look at this storage area. And that is a tour of the room. Here's some of the entrance. And voila. And the other bedroom. Guys, this is the coolest thing ever. I would definitely do it once in your life because it's a piece of history. So that is our video for today, and we love you guys. Please like, subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video.